Papa Master play on the beat.
Edmondx, more like Edmond Fat. Delete your channel. How about that? You're just cringe, you're a piece of poop. Your channel's going down in one fell swoop. Yeah, little poop boy, you low-key stink. Your build is literally a sausage link. Edmondx, your second diss was not tough. Give up, little bro, pack up your stuff. If I describe your cat in one word, it'd be subpar. Featured blue on your disc, he didn't say a single bar. My cat is better, speak your mind, baby D. Yeah, don't hold back. Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4. Edmondx, you're kinda poor. 5, 6, 7, 8. You are who I really hate. You peaked when you buckled that shoot, bro. Your channel's falling off and ain't making more dough. You're built like a freaking squid. Yeah, Poopmondx, your channel's mid. I'm just your cat, blue can never. So fat on a spacewalk, you break the tether.
Hey. Hey, delete your channel and don't diss back. If you do, I'll give you a heart attack. Yeah man, you're just a little baby. You'll have infinity less success than Lame KB. Go live in the forest behind your home. Your reputation's cooked, Bromo Dome. Have fun chillin' with Slenderman and friends. But is this in your channel? This is the end.
Yo, that was so tough. Good job, bro. High five. Yeah, you're gonna get Song of the Summer.